Hi, my name's Lorraine. I'm from Buchanan, Michigan, and my grandma Gloria is my hero. The way that she helps others is relentless. She goes out of her way to help not only her family, complete strangers on the street. I take that with me every day. My grandma has always taken care of everyone, like since she was a kid.
When I was 10 years old, my dad passed away. I had to help my siblings because we didn't have much. We didn't have a Christmas tree or any decorations, hardly no food. I wrote a letter to see if I could get my brothers and sisters some Christmas presents. I thought I was writing a letter to the Knights of Columbus, but in fact I wrote to the Houston Light and Power Company. They all got together and brought us food that I had never seen in my life. Oh, so much food, a Christmas tree, gifts and decorations. Anyway, I hardly ever told that story because it would always make me cry.
She goes out of her way for everything from taking her neighbor to church or taking her sister's grocery shopping, even works in healthcare to help everybody. And she even postponed her retirement for 10 years to keep helping everybody.
I work for MD Anderson, which is a hospital for cancer patients. I think it's important to help people. Sometimes just need a hug.
Some of the life lessons that my grandma Gloria has taught me is even if we need help ourselves, we're going to go out of our way to help somebody else because that's what's important. My grandma sees only good in her eyes. There is no such thing as somebody who doesn't deserve a helping hand. I try to make sure that my grandma knows how much we love and appreciate her. Because my parents weren't always there whenever I was younger.
I decided to get them the house that was right next door to mine so that I knew I would be there for them at any time.
If it wasn't for my grandma, I wouldn't be where I am today. I wouldn't have finished school. I wouldn't have started working. I wouldn't have gotten my first car. So much of how I live is a direct reflection of how my grandma Gloria raised me.
I'm crying a little bit, but just happy tears. Congratulations to both of you guys. And welcome, welcome, welcome. We're working with Teleflora, and they send beautifully curated, look at this, beautifully curated arrangements, like the one I have here for our holidays. And the lineup even comes in a keepsake container. Can you see it? This one has little pine cones on it. They're beautiful. And they can become a part of like your ongoing decor for years to come. They're always handmade and they're delivered by an actual local florist. We have a gift for you. So, Gloria, you might want to go to the door.
Right now?
Right this minute.
Okay. Okay. Oh! Oh my God!
Yay!
My God! Oh.
Oh gosh. I love good tears.
Oh
I love good tears. Oh my gosh, I love good
Don't
tears.
worry about my hair. Oh my God! Oh.
Oh my God. I'm crying harder than Gloria. I'm crying harder than Gloria.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. Thank you, Jesus.
I'm so happy for you.
This is
family.
amazing. Yes, this was, the best birthday present and Christmas present I could have thought.
So Teleflora is going to be giving you guys a year of bouquets so you can order arrangements each month, and that is beautiful. So if you guys want to deliver some holiday love to your family and friends, Teleflora's Holiday 2021 bouquets are, of course, available for sale on teleflora.com. Thank you for sharing your lives with everyone. This is the type of programming that we appreciate more than anything that we do. It's so beautiful to see the two of you together again.